Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're unlocking the secrets behind AI by breaking down its key terms and concepts. Are you ready to become AI literate? Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that aims to create machines capable of intelligent behavior. But within AI, there are many terms and concepts that are foundational to understanding this rapidly evolving technology. First up, machine learning. This is a subset of AI that enables machines to improve at tasks with experience. It's like teaching a computer to learn from data, much like how we learn from our experiences. Next, we have neural networks. These are algorithms modeled after the human brain that help computers recognize patterns and solve complex problems. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses, you guessed it, neural networks with many layers. These layers are what make the deep in deep learning, allowing machines to make sense of data in a human-like way. Moving on to natural language processing, or NLP. This is how computers understand and respond to human language. Every time you use voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, you're interacting with NLP. Computer vision allows machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. From facial recognition to self-driving cars, computer vision is a key piece of the AI puzzle. Reinforcement learning is a type of AI where machines learn to make decisions by trial and error. They receive rewards for successful outcomes, much like training a pet with treats. You might also hear about supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is when the AI is trained on labeled data, while unsupervised learning is when the AI looks for patterns in data all on its own. These concepts are essential for anyone looking to understand or work in this field. As AI continues to grow, these will become even more important in our daily lives. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.